Hello everyone on YouTube, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day in the sunshine. Today I'm just going to cook a egg in a basket with some jalapenos, some cheese, and I'm just going to put it onto a crust of bread. And yeah, that's going to be lunch today. Just a nobble of bread. I've got some leftover Leicestershire cheese. We should take this out first, but never mind. I've got one of them Asda cheddar slices. Got the good stuff. And this, I'm just going to put some butter around the inside of that so it doesn't stick. And I think I'm going to put the cheese in it first before putting the eggs in. And then put the jalapenos in and do that. So I'm just going to use a bit of that. That's got a bit of butter in it. So there's a bit of butter in there somewhere. I'm just going to spread that onto there. I'm going to pop that in the air fryer. And I'm going to cook the eggs for 11 minutes. And the bread, I'm just going to lightly toast in the air fryer for, I don't know, 3 minutes maybe, just so the butter's melted, so it's a bit crispier. Okay, so bit of butter in there. Just gonna stop that from sticking. It shouldn't stick anyway because it's silicone, but it has been sticking. So there's a bit of cheese in there, nothing too special. Just a bit of leftover cheese. So I'm just going to crumble some bits in there. Oh, lost a bit. And what else we got? Some ingredients. We'll just chuck some of them in there. Oh, look at that, lovely. That'll do. A couple of eggs. There's one. There's two. Just move that around a bit. It's all coated. That's it, get rid of that glove. Right, in the air fryer, 200. In fact, you know what, I'm going to go 12 minutes. See how we get on with that. Just remember not to slam the drawer, because otherwise you find the eggs all over the back of the air fryer. Just a bit of butter. A bit of butter. On the bread. I'm getting it out. Go. There you go. So sort of healthy, but not really, because of all the butter and the cheese. But used up some more ingredients, which is always good, so don't go to waste. Thanks for everyone who's liked, shared, commented, and even subscribed. It all helps. It all goes the right way. So the other side, going to pull the basket out, stick that in there, possible, and hopefully stick that in there. Just put that in the air fryer. That's going to go on a max crisp 240 for about 4 minutes. So we're about cooked, I think. My toast is toasted. Yeah, I might just leave it in the air fryer. Now this thing, I'm not sure how I'm going to get this out of here without burning myself. I'll just go for it. Oh, look at that. It just about fits. Sorted. That is a result. So the cheese has melted into the egg. The jalapenos are in there. Do you know, I might even just chuck a bit of black pepper on it if I had some out. Oh yeah. The cheese is there. The cheese is melted. Sounds like one of the other YouTube videos I've done. There you go. That'll be a fun now then. And the taste and the texture. Oh, straight on jalapenos. Lovely. Yeah. That's lovely, that is. So yeah, I think I cooked it for 12 minutes maybe. Toast was 4 and it had about 1 minute left. So I got it out just in time. Obviously put the cheese in first. Buttered the basket first. Put the cheese in. Put the jalapenos in. Put the eggs on top. Mixed them around a bit. So it covered the basket. And yeah, that is that. Oh yeah. Give it a go. I'll see you later. Bye bye.